Make money on YouTube without making videos. Welcome to InvestoSphere, the place where smart minds learn how to build real income streams online. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful, underrated ways to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face, recording your voice, or filming a single video yourself. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to show you real methods, tools, and strategies you can use right now to start earning, even if you've never uploaded a video in your life. This isn't one of those vague, recycled tutorials. This is a full step-by-step guide, whether you're just curious or serious about passive income. By the end of this video, you'll have the complete roadmap to launching and scaling a faceless YouTube channel that earns you money consistently. Let's begin. Understanding faceless YouTube channels. Faceless YouTube channels are channels where the creator never appears on screen. Instead, the content is narrated, animated, or simply made using visuals, stock footage, AI tools, or curated clips. Some of the most successful channels on YouTube today are completely faceless. Examples include top 10 list channels, relaxing music channels, true crime storytelling channels, animated educational content, finance explainer videos, motivational speeches. The idea here is simple. You focus on high-demand content, automate or outsource the production, and earn through monetization, affiliate links, sponsorships, or selling your own digital products. Why this works in 2025 ***. YouTube continues to reward watch time, not who's on screen. With advanced AI tools and access to royalty-free assets, there's no need to own a camera, hire an editor, or even record your own voice. People come to YouTube for value. If you can offer value through curated or AI-generated content, the platform will promote your videos. YouTube monetization rules still allow channels to be monetized even without original filming, as long as your content is transformative, adds commentary, context, or education. Types of content you can create without recording videos. Let's explore actual content categories you can create with zero filming. Text-to-speech narration videos. Use software to convert your scripts into natural-sounding voices. Stock footage and B-roll channels. Combine free and paid stock video assets. Compilation videos. Use licensed clips, reactions, or podcast snippets with permission. Motivational quote videos. Add quotes to relaxing video backgrounds and music. Storytelling videos. Use AI-generated voices and visuals to narrate stories or facts. AI-generated animation channels. Tools like Pictory, InVideo, and Animaker let you animate ideas easily. Step-by-step blueprint to start a channel. Here's how you can get started from scratch. Step 1. Niche selection. Choose a niche with high interest and long-term potential. Examples: finance, motivation, health, history, technology, celebrity news, AI and future trends. Step 2. Keyword research. Use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and Google Trends to find what people are searching for. Base your video topics on highly searched, low-competition keywords. Step 3. Script writing. Write natural, engaging, human-sounding scripts. Tools like ChatGPT can help draft content, but make sure to personalize it and add your own research or spin. Step 4. Text-to-speech software. Use high-quality TDS tools such as 11 Labs, Play.ht, Amazon Poly, Muff.ai. These generate realistic voiceovers that are accepted by YouTube. Step 5. Visual creation. Use royalty-free assets from Pexels, Pixabay, Storyblocks, Envato Elements, or use tools like Pictory, Canva Video Editor, InVideo. Step 6. Video editing. Combine your audio and visuals with simple video editing software. CapCut, free and effective. DaVinci Resolve. Adobe Premiere Rush. Step 7. Thumbnails and titles. Create eye-catching thumbnails using Canva. Adobe Express. Focus on curiosity, shock value, and clarity. Your title should contain keywords and trigger emotions or questions. Step 8. Uploading and optimization. Always include SEO-optimized title, detailed description with keywords, high-ranking hashtags, relevant tags, and screen CTAs. Step 9. Monetization options. Besides YouTube ads, you can monetize through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling digital products, ebooks, templates, channel memberships, automating and outsourcing. You don't have to do it all yourself. Here's what you can outsource: script writing, Fiverr, Upwork, or AI-assisted; voiceovers, TDS tools, or freelancers; video editing, hire editors on Fiverr or Upwork; thumbnail design, use Canva templates or hire designers; automation tools, ChatGPT for ideas and scripts; TubeBuddy for SEO, Pictory for auto video generation, Zapier to automate publishing workflows. Scaling your channel. Once your first few videos gain traction, reinvest into better tools or hire a team to scale your uploads. Consider launching multiple channels in different niches. Reuse content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels to drive traffic back to your main videos. Common mistakes to avoid: copy-pasting unedited AI scripts, using robotic, low-quality voiceovers, poor thumbnails and titles, ignoring viewer comments and engagement, giving up too early. YouTube takes time. Success stories for inspiration. Look at real faceless channels. Alex, Motivation Hub, Watch Mojo. These channels built empires by sticking to consistent branding, content, and monetization. So now you know exactly how to build a YouTube income stream without making a single video yourself. The only thing left is to take action. Don't overthink. Pick your niche, plan your content, and publish consistently. If thousands of others are doing it, so can you. You don't need fancy gear, editing skills, or even your own voice. Just commitment and creativity. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to InvestoSphere for more powerful guides like this. Hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and share this video with someone who needs to see it. Question for you: if you could build a YouTube channel without ever appearing on camera, what niche would you choose and why? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.